truck. This is crazy. So today we have OnPoint Racing in. OnPoint is a private father and son team out of Colorado. They're really good friends and customer of ours. They've always done crazy sports. Dylan, the driver, the son, is kind of a prodigy where he gets in anything and he just destroys. Last year they were in the Torque UTV series and he came out as a privateer and podium through the whole series. And all the factory teams were just wondering why this kid came out of nowhere and just destroyed. So I think they wanted to make the move from UTVs to trucks this year, so they built a Prolite truck to get into the Lucas Midwest series, like a stadium crazy built truck. And they're going to travel around and see how well they do in that. And they're a really great father and son team. It's the best thing to see, and they work well together, and that's all they do is everything together. And we've been lucky enough to help them through like every process of graphics and suit design, trailer designs, everything just to brand themselves well. As you can see, they built this Fiberworks LS3 Prolite truck, and this is a full-time like contact sport. They're crashing into each other all the time. So the big process here, which was a little bit different, was instead of wrapping the whole truck, we're just going to do accented graphics and sponsor logos all over, so that as soon as they crash a panel, they can quickly grab a second set, stick it on the truck, and get back out there advertising sponsors and having their branding on the truck. So they dropped it off this morning, and we're just really going to fit everything, make sure it fits, and then get them multiple sets to get out on the road. I think their series starts pretty soon, and I know they have some testing this weekend, so we're going to try to wrap this up today and kind of show you the process of what we're doing to this thing. But this thing is pretty intense. They actually wrapped all of the interior panels themselves in red, which was really awesome because it was their first attempt and they did a great job. Much easier for us, and especially with their large shop, they could do it themselves. But we think they're going to do really well this year. They, Dylan's just crazy. He drives well. His dad supports him. They do everything themselves. I think he's just going to go out and crush this year and do really well, and we're so glad that they came through with us to help them with everything, and we're really glad to be part of this team. We're going to try to follow them through a couple of the races and travel with them just to get some content and show you what they do, because it's crazy that you can just get in this truck and jump 10, 15 foot in the air, 150 foot gaps, and just destroy. So we're really thankful we have these guys, and we'll just show you the process of design to print and laminate to get the graphics ready and install them, get them on the road. But it's going to be really cool this series following these guys.
Alright guys, we got all the stickers and graphics ready to go on the Prolite truck. Let's get them stuck.
Today we're at OnPoint Racing headquarters. We're going to do some testing on a private track. We're going to see what this thing could do. They're just going to get out there and run it through some laps to see on their private track to see how today goes and keep you updated. How's it looking? What do you think?
Insane. That was such a good video.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think we got some good stuff. Broke out the big gimbal, we got the GoPro, getting some jump shots. So now we gotta load it up and see what we got.
All right. Sounds good.
What's up guys, Dylan Pointing here, number 19 Prolite. Just out here doing our first shakedown at the home property here. We got the impacted media team out here with us, and we're just feeling out this new truck, shaking it down.
Nice. And how'd it feel out there today?
Yeah man, everything felt great.
Nice.
Yeah,
And
out there ripping, perfect day for it.
It
Colorado
was.
finally gave us a break.
Beautiful sunny day out there.
Yeah,
Nice.
awesome.
Any learning curve with the new truck compared
Huge, man.
to the buggy?
Stepping up from the UTV, it's quite the horsepower change, quite the swing and drivetrain and everything. Going from four-wheel drive to a rear-wheel drive, that's been our biggest struggle here. Just learning throttle control and learn how to handle the beast.
I bet. And what power plant are you running this year?
We're running the new Lucas Oil Production Engine LS3.
And how much power are you making?
It's about 500.
Wow. And one of these little trucks. That's pretty cool, man.